Temu. Ooh, got my heart broke off of Temu. Ooh, I must have bought my love off Temu. Ooh, I got my heart broke off of Temu. Yeah, the box was big, handled with care. Watch out, fella. This could be you right here. I was looking for a real deal. The box wide open, there was nothing there. Just a letter to support and share. Ooh, I must have bought my love from Temu. Handling all free, it was way too late. No, no, she got me on low. I must have bought my love from Temu. Ooh, I must have got my heart broke off of Temu. It was a beautiful day, strolling through. Got a few messages at home. I decided to open it. So beautiful, is she nice is what I'm hoping in. Scoping it out of frame, elegant and giving it features, just my type. Looking at them legs, she's the perfect height for real. The only one made with the comment said I'm alone and need love. Say what the object is, put it on the line. Add a dollar amount, spend it up, hoping she laugh. But wait, one problem. She needs some cash today. Ooh, I must have bought my love off Temu. Ooh, got my heart broke off of Temu. Ooh, I must have bought my love off of Temu. Ooh, I got my heart broke off of Temu. Thought I got a hot deal. She was looking for a bag and a hot meal. Tattoos on her neck, mark, fragile. Managed with care, hard to handle. Watch out, fellas, beware. This could be you, a whole fool out here. I was looking for a good deal. Package was wide open, open my eyes, it was nothing here. I must have bought my love on Temu. Shipping comes free, getting back and forth, it was way too late. She got me, oh Lord, oh, I must have bought my love off Temu. Got my heart broke off of Temu. She came, I waited so long. Everything was great, but all wrong. So fine, so gone. The delivery was 10 years late on my doorstep. She was placed on. Must have been a mix-up. A mistake on my order, switch up, need a rebate. The box was wide open. What the where was she made? Oh, nothing like what I paid. Lower grade, I ordered her. They delivered the shade. No warranty, no upgrade. We make up on real life. We fell in the rain, and now I'm about to complain. Ooh, money back, money back. I need my money back. I'm more like Temu. Send me fake love, next could be you. No guarantee on money back. Damn Temu, I must have bought my love on Temu. Ooh, got my heart broke off of Temu. Ooh, I must have bought my love on Temu. Ooh, I got my heart broke off of Temu.
Way trying to figure it out. It's frustrating. I'm trying to listen to God, my family, my friends, all these things is distracting me from the truth, and it's difficult. But it's difficult to wait because everybody's in a hurry. Technology, it's fast, it's in a hurry. They're angry, they're frustrated, they got time. We can send man to the moon, we can be inventors, but we're limited. If I understand that I'm limited, then that's when God takes control and gives me the wisdom that I desire. Humility, be humble. If you don't understand your purpose, ask God. But ask him in sincerity. What's my purpose, God? Did you ever ask that question? What's my purpose? Why I'm here? What am I meant to do? But sometimes you can't tell us all at once. It might be too much. But be sincere.